How to reduce wisdom teeth swelling after them removed. Your wisdom teeth usually appear between the ages of 16 and 29. Removing them should be based on the criteria of a specialist. Generally, removing a wisdom tooth has to do with the fact that there isn't enough room in your oral cavity. Sometimes, when your wisdom teeth come in, they cause pressure on your molars and other teeth. This can cause pain and inflammation in your gums. They can even damage your nerves. As a result, it's necessary to operate to extract them. Home care should be done carefully. This is because a slight mistake can have dangerous results like an infection. Inflammation is a natural reaction for your body when your tissues have been damaged. It's normal for the swelling to show up around your mouth and cheeks. It can even show up under your eyes and around your cheekbones. Usually, it appears between 5 and 12 hours after the surgery. And, it can be prolonged for up to 3 or 4 days. So, be patient. The swelling can be treated to minimize your pain and discomfort. Remember, always follow your doctor's recommendations to the letter. Also, you can choose one of the options we suggest below. Apply ice or a cold compress. This technique is effective during the first 24 hours after the surgery. If you want, you can even apply it before the swelling appears. Wrap 10 ice cubes in a towel. You can also freeze a container with water or a special compress. The important thing is that it's cold. Gently apply it to the inflamed area on the outside of your face. To prevent swelling in your skin, apply the compress for 15 minutes at a time. Then let your skin rest for another 5 minutes. Repeat this for a few hours when you are awake. Apply hot compresses. The heat helps to reduce the inflammation in your muscles. But, you need to be careful that you don't apply a source of heat to your skin that is too hot. This technique is effective after the first 24 hours following the removal. Choose a heat source. It can be a container you've filled with warm water, at a moderate temperature. You can also use a clothes iron to heat up hand towels. Another option is to heat up water and soak small towels while the water is hot. Test the temperature with your hand. Remember, The idea is to heat up the inflamed area from the outside, not to burn or injure it. Apply it without putting pressure on your cheeks in the swollen area. Keep the compress on for 20 minutes. Take the compress off and rest for another 20 minutes. Repeat the routine going through several cycles over 2 days. Elevate your head above the rest of your body. The severity can play in your favor. Keep yourself in a position that raises your head above the rest of your body. This makes the excess liquid caused by the swelling to go back into your bloodstream and reduces the inflammation in your gums. It's recommended that you sleep half sitting up for the first 2 or 3 days. Place some pillows below your head and try to lay down in a comfortable manner, relaxing the rest of your body. Remember, you should never sleep on the side that has the wound, this will make the inflammation worse. It's important that after the operation you rest for at least 10 hours per day for the next 48 hours. Chamomile tea bags. Chamomile is one of the most used herbs as a home remedy for inflammation or itching. It also helps to reduce bleeding and inflammation. This is also true of those that appear with a wisdom tooth removal. We recommend heating up a few tea bags. Then, when they've cooled a little, but haven't completely lost their warmth, put them in your mouth. Then bite slightly to let the liquid out. Do this for 15 minutes, then rest for a minimum of half an hour before repeating this treatment. Remember, never apply it directly on your wound. Similarly, you can drink a little chamomile tea. It can be either hot or cold. Other considerations. Don't use mouthwash. Many have strong agents that kill the bacteria in your mouth and can hurt your wound. Avoid eating solid foods. Be sure to eat a soft diet. This will reduce infections and worse inflammation. Try to rest as much as you need to. It's important that you take a couple days of rest from your job, school, or house chores. The rest ensures that you keep your blood pressure stable. This influences the successful healing of your gums. Main image courtesy of copyright WikiHow.com.
You